with profits today. Our market left us big clues right here. Market's building so much liquidity right here. You have to pay close attention to this. I will run through that with you in today's video. And it is no surprise, isn't it, if you watched yesterday's video? I talked about how a bounce after every large red day, especially when still in that selling continuation. Do you see that? Penny perfect in the magenta as well. So please watch yesterday's video. The link is in the description. So you can catch up on the videos, understand what I'm trying to say. But please do watch it after this. And the move today was especially straightforward. I warned you about a possible tapering, especially of the early rejection of the moving averages. So this was at 10:39 a.m. right? 10:39 a.m. we were close to the highs here. This was 10:39 a.m. Timestamp right here. So you can see the timestamp 10:39. Right? I was telling you, you have to be very careful and just be patient. Because if this wants to dump, you're not going to miss it. Especially once we started retesting the magenta. Just see it for yourself. Penny perfect once we break the magenta. This went straight down beautifully in that blue. Absolutely beautiful. We had even another retracement from that magenta right there. Another leg down. Absolutely beautiful trade. And at 10:39 we already identified the magenta algorithm. So especially beautiful trade right there. Now thereafter I want you to see for yourself how magenta was just leaving the liquidity right there. Penny perfect. What can you do with this information in your trade, right? Especially near to the final 10 minutes. This was such a beautiful trade if you managed to catch it, especially once the precision algorithm started showing. Not the first time you see this. If you've been following me, watching the videos and being in the Discord server, this will be such a textbook move to you. And it's only possible because you identified the magenta algorithm as well as the blue precision algorithm right there. And look, beautiful rejection, not just off the 5-day moving average, but also this pink algorithm right there. Look, penny perfect. And you're wondering, right, members, especially why I charted this secondary pink algorithm and still continue to bold it. Now you see it for yourself because the main liquidity is always here. Instead of this, this is the market trying to build liquidity but failed. So the main liquidity has always been this lower band of pink algorithm, which I kept it bolded right there. And you see how it coincided with that